All right, so Android just released the Android 17 version, and it's kind of cool, which brings a lot of features, which is cool for the Android phone. And again, it just released some days ago, but I'm just making videos about this because there are certain 5 features which I think is probably good, and you have to know about it. It's kind of cool, yeah, surely. And again, I just updated my phone some few days ago on my Pixel 8a, so everything is gonna be shown on a Pixel 8a phone. So yeah, some features are cool, and some are already supposed to. They're supposed to have those features already, but we didn't have it. But right now they just released it with their Android 17, and some are incredibly cool. There are some features which you won't find it on other phones. So let's start with this cool feature, which I think you'll love. But again, before we start with the features, actually, every year Android just release Android version. It will come with an Easter egg, which you're probably going to find it yourself. And this year is cool. Let me show you how to find it. All right, so go to your settings and then go to About Phone, and then scroll to see Android 17. Click on that, and then you tap the Android version 17 for like 4 times. It will take you to this interface. You just hold the Android 17. It will be like you're in the cosmic space. For some time, you will just see this game. And if it's the first time, you'll see this 17 dots right there, which you have to connect it, yeah, before this thing will come. And then this game is literally not a fun game. It's just a simple game. You are just in a space which you are navigating through space. You want to land on Earth. If you come to just click on the auto to just send you to Earth. There's a sun and then there's atmosphere. It's kind of cool. It depicts how astronauts navigate through the space. That's cool. But I won't talk much about that. Actually, I want to wrap up a little quick so that you finish the video. It's not going to be a long video. But we start from the first feature, which I think we are supposed to have it. It's available on all other phones. We are the only people who don't have, especially Google Pixel. So right now on your Google Pixel, you just swipe down from the notification button. You will see on the previous version of Android, you don't get the ability to see different like Wi-Fi and then mobile data. But right now they have separated both, so it becomes convenient to turn off your Wi-Fi or the data, which was hard then. But now they have decided to change it. And I think this one's supposed to be a big deal because, as I said, all right. So this cool feature though, love it. And the second one, we're actually going to talk about the bubble bar, which is the bubble. All right, this is what it does. It's a multitasking thing. So let's say you want to open like 5 apps at the same times, but you actually want to do multitasking. So you switch from here and then from here without closing the other app. This is what it does. So you just tap and hold on the application, and then you click on the bubble. It will add up to the bubble bars, and then you can add up to 5 bubbles at the same time, and you can navigate through them. I think with time they will just update it so that you can maybe add up to 10, or maybe reduce it. My recently won't be possible. Maybe they'll add more. That will cool. That will be cool. Actually, it makes work pretty easier. Let's say you are watching YouTube video, you want to write something down on a note, just switch in between, simple as that. It's kind of cool. All right, so the third feature is the feature which you won't find it on the phone. It's on the foldable phone, not on the regular phone. So on the foldable phone, when you're actually playing game, you have the accessibility to turn which screen. Because it's a foldable screen, you can just make it like a laptop. So the one side will be your gameplay, and the other side will be your pad, which is cool for gamers. You actually have a full screen for your gameplay and a full screen for the touchpad, which is cool for the gamers. Yes, surely. And the next feature, which I think is the greatest feature of the Android version 17, it's kind of cool. I never thought this would probably happen. If you're a content creator or somebody who literally use CapCut to edit your videos, maybe sometimes you want to show something on your screen to people, but you literally have to go to CapCut, record yourself separately, and then show that in there. It's kind of hard work. But right now, Google did it seamlessly. So when you try to record your screen, maybe you want to show yourself and show something on the screen for the viewer to see what probably you want to show. It's kind of simple. So you just go to the screen recorder application. Then you have this option here. You can show touches, and then you can record your device audio, and also you can record yourself. You can also pinch to zoom how you want yourself to be big, how small you want to be on the screen. And it's kind of cool. This feature is available now. So after that, you have everything which is probably done as that. The best part, your background going to be removed. I think this literally works on the CPU, the processor. It's kind of cool. And the last one, which I think I don't give much attention to, it is a little bit of twist about the UI and then how you can customize your display. Literally, you see the Google bar on your phone home screen. You can literally change the transparency. You can change the colors to different colors, and then it gives you the saturation and everything. Kind of cool. Don't forget to subscribe and then follow up for more videos like this.